Okay, in my previous video, I talked about that I had videos already made to show you how to use a calculator. They're in Canvas, they're in the module for section 8.4, and it's these two right here, how to use your calculator for annuity and how to use your calculator for a sinking fund. I made these two videos with a document camera so you can actually see my calculator, see my hands, and see me pushing all the buttons. So watch those and they will be helpful on the easiest way to get to the answers. Which brings me back to the PowerPoint, and the end of the last PowerPoint ended with this one, or the last video. That's the formula for an annuity. And so here's an example. A payment of $50 is made at the end of each month. So the $50 is your payment. That is your R. And then it goes on to say that it has a 6% annual interest rate. That's your little r, which would be 0.06. And then it is compounded monthly. The compounding is M, and that's monthly, so 12 times a year. Now, they went ahead and calculated R over M. They did this 0.06 divided by 12, and that gave them this number here. And then you also need N, and remember N is the number of times it's compounded times the number of years, and it is compounded 12 times a year for 3 years is right here. And 3 times 12 is 36. So we've identified all the variables in the formula, and here the formula is, and they've punched them all in. Although keep in mind, they went ahead and calculated R divided by M, and that's where they got the 0.005. And then they did R divided by M up here, but added 1 to get 1.005. All right. And then here's the capital R in the formula, and your exponent is 36. So, I actually show you how you can do all of that in your calculator, how you can take the 50 times, and then the 1 plus, what was it, is it 0.06? Yeah, 0.06 divided by 12 raised to the 36th power minus 1 all over the 0.06 divided by 12. I show you how you can put all of this in your calculator. Now they went ahead and did some intermediate steps, and that's fine. They went ahead and took the 1.005 and raised it to the 36th power and got that. And then next they subtracted the 1, which gave them, whoops, I meant to hit the highlighter, which gave them that. And then they took that and divided it by the 0.005, which gave them that. And then they multiplied by 50, which gave them the final answer right here, rounded to the nearest penny. I show you how to put it all in your calculator.